as the winds of transformation blow across the skies of Mumbai, touching minds and hearts, inspiring ideas and arts, we open our wings to ride these winds of change. India today is one of the fastest growing economies in the world. Maharashtra, with its vibrant culture and industrial prowess, has always been the epicenter for this growth. Various infrastructure initiatives are making the Mumbai Metropolitan Region future-ready. Airports drive economic growth and transform the region, and GVK has been actively participating in India's aviation sector, having created the iconic T2 at Mumbai and conceived the Terminal 2 at Bengaluru Airport. The Union Government and Government of Maharashtra have envisioned the greenfield Navi Mumbai International Airport through CIDCO, which has been developing Navi Mumbai. GVK Mumbai International Airport Limited, in a public-private partnership with CIDCO, has now embraced the challenge of developing the Navi Mumbai International Airport at a location in the center of Mumbai Metropolitan Region with challenging site conditions to create a hub for future growth. The iconic terminal design of Navi Mumbai International Airport takes its inspiration from our national flower, the lotus, which symbolizes purity and elegance. The futuristic design of NMIA uniquely blends modernity with Indian ethos, art and culture in a poetic and fluid architectural language, symbolizing vitality and creativity of a rising India. Designed by globally acclaimed architectural firm Zaha Hadid, the Central Terminal Complex is the heart of the Navi Mumbai International Airport, a cluster of 3 interconnected multi-level terminals planned around a landscaped central forecourt with a multimodal transportation hub. The master plan of the Navi Mumbai International Airport will ultimately serve 90 million passengers per annum. It is planned with dual entrances from west as well as from the east. NMIA is planned to be implemented in 4 phases, with 2 parallel runways capable of simultaneous operations. With high-speed expressway, suburban rail, metro and water transport connectivity, the Central Terminal Complex is connected by 9+9 lanes planned along a landscaped main airport access road. The western and northern part of the airport is planned for passenger-related facilities and supporting airport users, while the eastern part of NMIA is planned for cargo, MRO, general aviation, thus segregating vehicular traffic between the 2 entrances. The passenger terminal welcomes travelers with flowing forms of its grand entrance, an exciting start to their journey. It is designed with simplicity in mind and organized on 2 floors with very few level changes. This creates a compact terminal with minimized walking distances through intuitive wayfinding. The piers of departure gates are highly efficient and designed without the need for vertical transport systems. As one departs through the terminal, the lotus petals slowly reveal themselves and capture the discerning travelers in awe. The elegance of the building evokes the culture of India and blends it with futuristic features, establishing a new standard in terminal design. An uplifting architecture accompanies passengers through a fluid sequence of spaces bathed in sunlight. Incoming travelers are welcomed to an equally simple and intuitive arrivals experience and are processed in a pleasant and stress-free environment. Passengers are smoothly guided from their gate to the terminal forecourt. On arrival, they begin their journey into the world with a thrilling and unforgettable experience. And those visiting receive a wonderful welcome to the magical city of Navi Mumbai. Serving both domestic and international traffic and equipped with next-gen technology, the Navi Mumbai International Airport shall make travel an exciting experience and open new business opportunities. Navi Mumbai International Airport, connecting Mumbai Metropolitan Region to the world. Navi Mumbai International Airport.
घर यानी खुशियाँ, घर यानी परिवार, घर यानी सुख दुख और घर यानी सपने। और इन्हीं सपनों को साकार करना है तो जाइए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अपना वाला घर यूट्यूब चैनल, जहाँ पे आपको मिलेंगे ढेर सारे ऑप्शंस अपने घर के। तो जाइए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अपना वाला घर यूट्यूब चैनल। अपना वाला घर बजट।